Hello, this is a new project that I would talk about some vocabulary that in our daily life. For example, you get into a house and how to say certain words, which is you can see, you can touch, and this is really nice idea. In this video playlist, you'll be able to learn quite a lot. For example, anything related to home, like the cooking utensil in the kitchen, which is not covered in any Cantonese vocabulary book. It's really what you will see and touch. And then we talk about the transport, sightseeing, work environment, school, shopping, in the restaurant, in the bar, and going to hospital, clinic, and recreational, movie, museum, and sport, and some special occasion like a wedding. So it's kind of interesting. Okay, so we'll see more. Thank you, and if you like, please subscribe to this channel, and also share this channel to the people. Thank you.